Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Sorry it's a little windy, might be loud. Today we've got a 2022 Mercedes SL63 AMG. Gorgeous car, only has 1,500 miles on it, 577 horsepower. This car does have the AMG night package, exterior package. It's got the 21-inch cross-spoke wheels. Those yellow calipers look great. Black interior, it's got a black top. It's got the driver assistance package with all the lane assist and blind spot and 360 camera. It's got the 3D camera, power trunk lid. Not a dent or a scratch on this car. All the keys in the books, full warranty. It's got the microfiber black headliner. It does have front axle lift. Has the track pace, massage seats, heated and ventilated too, of course. A lot of fun to drive. The exhaust sounds incredible in sport mode. Burmeister sound. I love this interior cabin at night. It really looks awesome the way everything glows. There's no wear on these seats. It's got the black chrome trim. Non-smoker, of course. There's our mileage, 1538. Got the nice big screen here. Press some buttons. Heads-up display, front axle lift, active lane keeping, active steering. Got it all there. Go back to home. Show our massage seats right there. You can change all your ambient lighting and everything too. It's really cool. I've got the sport mode on right now. You can turn the exhaust on. It opens up the exhaust. Sounds really neat. All of the creature comforts you could ask for. Beautiful car. $200,000 MSRP. So that's quite a deal. What we're asking. Go to the website for all the pictures, details. RogersMotorcars.com. Please like and subscribe our channel here. We've got a lot more coming in the pipeline. You can follow us on Instagram at Rogers_Motorcars. We do a lot more posting there, a lot more interaction. You can call, text, DM, email. We always do respond very, very quickly. Out-of-state deals are easy. We can transport anywhere in the country. Hope to hear from you.